Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and safe inside your homes. So, now today we are going to continue with chapter 9 in civics, that is public facilities. So, what are public facilities? See, things like electricity, public transport, schools, colleges, which are necessary for our survival, become the public facilities. Public facilities are provided so that its benefits can be shared by all. They are being provided so that the benefit which is being will be shared among all. This is the responsibility of the government to make public facilities available to each and every individual. So it is the responsibility of the government to make the public facility available to each and every individual, and no one should be discriminated in that. Public transport in India, say for example CNG buses or the metro rail. These are what? These are the public transport which have been made by the government for the people of India. So there is no discrimination in it. Each and every people can use this public transport. Next we have electricity distribution in India, that is through solar energy, wind energy we have, and then LED bulbs installation in the roads. So what is it? It is something which has been made by the government for the people of India. So water supply to Chennai, is it available to all? So now there's some case study types over here that we will study. So water supply in Chennai is marked by shortage. It means there's shortage of water in Chennai. Municipal supply meets only about the half the needs of the people on the city on an average. It means that on an average the municipal corporation, it was only able to meet the half needs of the people. It means half of the people were getting the water facilities and half were not getting. So this was becoming a burden. So a burden of shortfalls in the water supply applies mostly on poor. So poor people cannot purchase the water, have water tankers, so they suffer for this problem. So in search of alternatives, the scenario of shortage and acute crisis during summer months is common. So there was a shortage. Shortage of municipal water is often taken as a sign of failure by the government. So it means that it is a sign of failure for the government. Throughout the world, water supply is the responsibility of the government. If I am living in Chennai, or if I am living in Kashmir, or if I am living in Kolkata, or if I am living in Gujarat, it is the responsibility of the government to provide me with water. There should be water supply. So in this era of industrialization, water pollution has become a major problem, and to get this clean drinking water, a large population is there, for which we need technological advancement. After that, we can conclude that public facilities are related to our basic needs, and the Indian Constitution has recognized the right to water, health, education. So it is very very important that government has to take its role and has to provide the public facilities to all. So after that, we have is government should provide everyone with the better living of standards. So the success of any government is acknowledged through the facilities and the basic needs it is providing. So these facilities become the building blocks of the development of the nation. So if these facilities are available, we can move on a developing scale. So that was it for today. Thank you and have a nice day.